Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here tonight, and please welcome our guest, Tim!
Thank you, Rich. Really excited to be here.
So tell me, Tim, after the SIM program had been ranked #1 Masters in Management worldwide for 9 consecutive years, this year the Data University kicked it off the management throne without mercy, and you're the one who made it possible. Tell us, Tim, how did you do it?
It's quite easy, actually. The first thing we do is segmentation, but not the old school way. Let me illustrate this using the example of Jan. Jan here is one of the top management students worldwide, based on criteria such as spoken languages or salary after graduation. We have collected his demographic, psychographic, and personality data by combining different databases such as social media and search engines to create a holistic profile. That means we know everything about him and about all other prospective students around the world. To create a master program that outperforms others, we matched Jan's data with our worldwide data pool, creating a pool of highly talented students. We then narrowed this pool to a smaller set of students, which we call persuadables, students who are undecided which master program to choose. Now to the beauty of it all, targeting. We target these persuadables with individually designed ads on their preferred social media channels. For instance, we knew that one potential candidate from Africa was in serious debt because of a surgery, so we advertised to her specifically that our program offers the highest salaries after graduation. We target all students like that, and the applications come in like never before, giving my client the easy road in the rankings. We are now looking forward to taking this technology to all industries around the globe.
Breaking news. Marketing guru and data scientist Tim came out on the Rich talk show tonight talking about his new way of marketing. This new way marks to us the biggest data scandal since Cambridge Analytica. His firm uses extensive personal data and micro-targeting techniques for the benefit of his clients. Let me remind you, the 2016 US presidential elections. Cambridge Analytica used an inferior technology to subtract personal data of millions of users from a social platform and managed to create personality profiles of every voter across the US. Subsequently, targeting the most undecided voters with individualized ads allegedly influenced the outcome of the elections. This wasn't the only instance. Similar methods were utilized in the Brexit campaign and Brazilian elections. This manipulation and the misuse of our data is subconsciously affecting the way we form our opinions. What Tim calls revolutionary marketing, we call the biggest threat to our freedom of thought and life as we know it.